Welcome back to the channel. Today we're picking up this 1978 C10 with the inline 6 that has been on the channel that we got running, and this truck's been on the channel going, but I just want to take y'all on this journey of me loading this truck and my trailer up by myself. We do have a winch, so that'd be a thing. We're going to pump up the tires and I'm going to move forward and drop the ramps. I was hoping not to have to drop the ramps. I was wanting to back right up to the back of the truck and hook up a winch, maybe to the bumper or some sort, and just winch it back up, but maybe get some air in it will help a little bit. All right, let's get to work. So we got all the tires pumped up. We got our winch hooked up to the back. We're about ready to winch this up solo. I have the cableless remote. We'll hit in. You'll see that our winch moved in. Ooh, that's not good. Well, we lined up pretty doggone good. Well, let me set up a camera and let me actually do something instead of watching this thing wreck. We're going to get to a point where the truck's going to keep going because it's downhill and we had no brake pedal. So the goal is to put it in park and hopefully stop before it stops on its own. We have her all strapped down, pretty happy with it. Real tight. We got the truck in park. Make sure. Yeah. Guess I can take the keys. Well, that works. Kind of don't like how short of a throw I have here, but it's okay. We ain't going far. So we're going to load up, put the trailer or the truck in the tow mode, and head on down the road.